Hello, my name is Semi and this is my mobile application web development. And yeah, so I'll be doing my presentation today. And first of all, I'll start with the wireframes. So I used Figma to design my wireframes, as you can see on the screen. Yeah, I went for very simple designs, but the ones that I actually wanted. Yeah, just to keep it simple, as you can see. So we'll quickly start with the first application that I've created using Android Studio. Yeah, as you can see, so it's loading and the app has been fully successfully installed and all the buttons are working correctly. As you can see, every button works just fine. And I used the linear layout as it was suggested. The XML code of this application contains parts such as the Android layout width to match parent and Android height, which is supposed to take up the screen, the entire screen fully, and the context main activity to link up this layout to the main activity Java file. Every single button works correctly as it should. The Java code has the superclass set content view, which helps to load the layouts from the activity and from the activity the underscore main XML, the XML part. So we will quickly move on to the second application. More explanations are provided in the report. To keep this video not too long, I am going to just quickly pass on a few details, but most of the explanations are provided in the report. And yeah, so I'm loading the second application right now. It has installed successfully and is fully functioning. I will show you quickly. Yeah, everything works just fine. I can select the country and the city where I want to fly to. Yeah, so for example, LA. Yeah, and I get a thank you message after the booking. I can go and select another country, for example, Morocco, and I can choose Casablanca, for example, and submit. See, I get the same thank you message. It works just fine. Same thing with Brazil, just through the city, Rio, for example. Submit. I get thank you message. Thank you for your booking. Yeah, and it works correctly. Now to the third application. Let's run it and wait a few seconds. Yeah, the app has installed. As you can see, the app is fully functioning. The only issue with this one is you cannot click on the pictures to read more about them. So I've just decided to place the informations about these animals just below the pictures and not as it was originally supposed to be. Inside the XML code, a linear layout was used as the parent container, and also the adapter view flipper function was also placed in this one. This is used to create a slide-like view where the user can flip through animal pages. and this one will help to scroll. The code also contains the auto start. This starts the flipper automatically. More details on this are provided in the report, so we will quickly move on to the next application. This one is the login application. Yes, the fourth application that I've created. Let's install it. Let's run it. The app is fully functioning. It works just fine as it should. We'll just wait a few seconds. It should be ready soon. The app works, and let's try to log in. If I enter the wrong password or wrong username, this would not work, because the user needs to enter the correct password, or otherwise this would not work, and the username and password need to be at least 4 characters. Now let's enter the right password, and this will simply end the activity. Okay. Yeah, let's move on to our fifth application actually. Yeah, this is the calculator application. I will quickly run it and see. Yeah, the application has installed successfully, and now we're just going to expand this, and we shall open the application and test it. As you can see, the application has installed and it's fully functioning. Every button is in. You can interact with every button and they work just fine. You can do simple calculations and also a bit more complex ones. I will show you in a few moments. As you can see, something a bit more harder, and it gives us the correct answer. Yeah, it's fully functioning. Now let's quickly move on to the inventory application. This is the number 6 application. Unfortunately, this application is unable to open even though it's successfully installed. For some unknown reason, the app keeps on stopping and would not allow me to use it. It has worked in the past, but since the day I'm recording this video, it has stopped to open up, and I do not know exactly why. Yeah, so we will move on to our last application. This is the pet shop application, as I named it. So this one allows the user to add as many animals as they want. They are given a choice between 3 different animals. They can view the animals they have in their basket. They can go to the checkout or just stay. And once you click on the checkout, it ends the activity. And this is yeah, all the applications except for the inventory ones. That's a bit tricky. The rest works just fine. Thank you for watching.